All right, today I have a Leica Q3 and I'm going to show you how to adjust the aperture on the Leica Q3. Now you can see I have the Leica Q3 in my hands. Now you can adjust the aperture without the camera being on, but for video purposes, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and turn on the Leica Q3 simply by taking my finger and switching it on. You can see the screen lights up right there. Now, if you look at the Leica Q3 on the lens or the barrel of the lens right here, you can see that there are a lot of different options on here to choose from. Now, when you're first getting used to this, it can be a bit overwhelming, but once you get used to it, you'll know where everything is, including the aperture ring. Right here you have the macro ring, right here you have the focus ring, and at the very end you have the aperture ring. Now this right here is the aperture ring, and it goes from 1.7 to 16, okay, or automatic to 16, and I'm going to show you about that. There's an automatic feature within that. So if I need to adjust the aperture, what I'll simply do is I'll take my hands and I'll put it on the ring of the aperture or the aperture ring. And if you look on it, there is sides right here where it actually has a nice grip that you can grip onto to adjust the aperture. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to simply take the aperture ring and I can turn it clockwise, and it goes all the way down to 1.7 if I want to, or anything in between. And if I want a different one from that, I'll take it and I will go counterclockwise, and it goes all the way to 16. All right, did you see that, what I did right there? And now, if I want to actually put it into auto, what I'll simply do is I'll take my hand and I'll spin it clockwise until I get to 1.7, and then it stops right there. However, in order to get into auto aperture, once it stops at 1.7, I'll just grip it and put a little bit more pressure, slightly a little bit more pressure, and it spins to A. And that right there is the automatic setting for the aperture right there. It is currently in automatic, okay? Did you see that? Automatic aperture, okay? Put it in automatic like that, clicks over to that, and it's an automatic aperture. And what that does is it will automatically adjust the aperture depending on the different settings that you have on the camera. Say for instance, you have a different level of shutter, depending on your level of shutter, whatever it's set at, or your ISO, depending on where your ISO is at, it'll adjust it accordingly to allow the appropriate amount of light in, okay? So what it does is, if you look on the screen, let's see, let's get it out of this. You see it's currently at aperture. It's an auto, but it's at aperture 1.7. It adjusted to 1.7 because the camera needs more light. And so it automatically adjusted it right there. And then if I spin it, I can adjust the aperture right here. See that? I adjust the aperture by spinning it that way right there. All right, and that is how you adjust the aperture on the Leica Q3. I hope this video has been helpful. Thanks a lot for watching.